What is a jury trial? Well, if you find yourself in front of a stern judge in the district court who denies your request for a postponement to get a lawyer, you're in a dilemma. You can either stay there and try the case yourself without a lawyer facing jail time, or you can request a jury trial. Would you like to know what a jury trial is and how it works? Come on in. I'll explain it to you. Hi, I'm Joel Denning, a criminal defense attorney practicing law here in Baltimore County. And today, I want to share with you what a jury trial is. When you ask for a jury trial, your case is going to be transferred from the district court to the circuit court. This is the circuit court in Baltimore County in Towson at 401 Bosley Avenue. This is where they hold jury trials. Now, you'll be given a summons at the district court when you request the jury trial. You'll sign that summons. It will have a date on it. Make sure you appear at the circuit court on that date. Otherwise, a bench warrant may be issued for your arrest. But the good news is, when you appear at the circuit court for your jury trial, you do not necessarily have to have a trial by jury. Depending on the facts and circumstances, the case could be nol prost, that is dismissed. It could be steaded. It could be resolved by way of a plea agreement, or you could elect a trial by judge. This is called a bench trial. And I'm going to explain these other methods of proceeding in another video, but you do not necessarily have to try your case in front of a jury on that day. It is your choice. So what is a jury trial? A jury consists of members of the community chosen randomly from the motor voter rolls of the state. This will be 12 citizens. You begin a jury trial with the process called voir dire. I will discuss this in general terms and get into more detail in another video, but in short, it is the process in which you, your attorney, the state, and the judge go through a process of selecting jurors from a large array or panel of jurors that are in the courtroom. Questions will be asked of these potential jurors, and what the ultimate goal is to find 12 people who are unbiased, who can serve, and who don't know the parties or anything about the facts involved in the case. The jury, however, will hear all of the evidence presented in the case. And what is evidence? Evidence can be testimony from witnesses, and the jury will size up, weigh whether or not these witnesses are biased, telling the truth, compare one witness's version of the events to another witness's. The jury may view videotapes. The jury may listen to 9/11 tapes. The jury may review documents. The jury may hear the testimony of an expert witness. An expert witness is a person who's qualified to give an opinion. The rest of the evidence the jury hears, though, is actual evidence of what was actually seen by the witnesses. The jury is the finder of fact in a jury trial. Well, it's up to the jury to decide whether or not the state has met its burden of proof, and that is that the state has proven each and every element of the alleged crime beyond a reasonable doubt and to a moral certainty. If just one juror has reasonable doubt in his or her mind, this will result in what we call a hung jury. Now, all of these deliberations go on behind closed doors, but if the jury cannot come to a unanimous verdict and there's a hung jury, then the state has the option of retrying the case, or it may offer a plea bargain to the defendant, or it may elect to just simply let the case go. This has been a very general description of a jury trial. I am a practicing criminal trial attorney, and I answer questions like this every day. If you have a question, give me a call at 410-391-0552 or on my cell phone at 410-491-0227. This is Joel Denning. It's been great talking to you.